everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you a 7-port USB 3.0 hub. This particular hub has its own separate switches for each of the ports, just like this one, but this is the 3.0 one. I'm replacing these because these are getting kind of old and they're not up to the task anymore, but they still work. So to get started here, I am going to open this up, and this is what it looks like. Pull this out, this is what it looks like. If I turn that, it has the USB 3.0 USB-B end on there. And what's nice is if I put it here, it kind of goes like this. As you can see, I hold it in my hand. I'm not sure if it gets, there we go. It kind of, the buttons are on the small part, the lowest part. And it comes with this. So I am going to test it out. I got 2 of these. I'm going to put one on my daily use machine and one for my testing machines. I'll put the link below. I got these from Amazon. I'll put the link in the video. So you have the USB-A end, you have the USB-B end. Any cable, any device that's USB 3.0 capable and has this end, any cable will work. So if you happen to damage this cable or something happens to it and you have another one lying around, it'll work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this in into the computer, and I'm going to plug this end into here, and as you can see, it lights up blue, which is my favorite color. And you will see my keyboard light up. Actually, that was the mouse. And 3, 2, 1. There we go. There we go. So that proves that it works. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.